residential stuff. I'd rather go somewhere that is like public. Oh shit.
All right, it is a beautiful day in Texas, which means it is a great day to drive this car on that lake. Ow! We've got jet skis that are not mine. I've convinced someone to let us borrow them. We've got a boat coming. Oh yeah, we're gonna load. So we've got some foam. We're gonna put foam in the body just in case. And all Traxxas RC cars are waterproof, right? Or water resistant.
Yeah, they're pretty much waterproof.
Waterproof. Do we want to start small and kind of proof of concept?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's.
You want to get swimming? All right. How much run do you think I'm gonna need? I would think if you started down here, I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I can control that. That's fine.
That's awesome.
Stay out there though.
That works so well.
Oh my goodness, I love these things. They're so fun. Oh, she's gonna work good. This is awesome.
Now we're gonna get in the jet ski and the boat. Sam's gonna be flying his Phantom 4 Pro. We're gonna kind of get out a little ways from where all the people are and see how far we can go. What's up, guys? Yeah. So Mike has come to our rescue today. He's gonna be our boat in the base for the drone. Alright, we're looking for a spot to kind of ramp it off from the ground.
My controller's right behind you. We rolling? So first test, we know it goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to find a good spot here to launch. It's fairly smooth into the water and go right between that grass. And I'm gonna stand on the shore first try here and get it to go out there, hopefully. And Chris will retrieve it if it sinks. Here we go. She sunk a little little faster than I thought. Oh, it's like something's not connecting inside. Hear that? The motor is actually not connected to the drivetrain right now.
We're off to a good start.
There's a gear right here I gotta get to.
So our gear completely stripped out.
That would be why. Alright. Crap. See that gear right there?
So we have a gear, we just don't have the bearing.
I have a gear, I just don't have the bearing.
Well, at least Chris is enjoying himself.
And then if it sinks, obviously you go retrieve it.
Yeah.
Ah! I need more runway. Just the transition from the... He was able to set it down. Yeah, this is all like residential stuff. I'd rather go somewhere that is like public. Oh shit. Good. Heck, where's my hat?
I got it.
It's so cold. Oh, I hate swimming.
Like
a stupid sport.
Oh my gosh.
How did that? That was so weird.
Oh.
Well,
Treading water with.
you know, when you're like, what do you need cardio for?
think it's watertight. I'm getting over this fast.
So our controller shot, so we are done for today. We did walk on water, but our the controller for the car got wet when we accidentally capsized on the jet ski, which I think did us in. Okay, day 2. We're back after drying out the car, getting all the water out of it.
A week later.
A week later. So that was last Sunday. So we're back now a whole week later. I think I've released 2 videos since we started filming this one. But anyway, we're at a new property. We got like a mellow intro into the lake. I think it's gonna be a good chance. Good chance.
Oh, I hit a tree! Son of a...
We're doing one more time. Morgan's taking the car over there. We want to try to steer and kind of do some turns, so we'll see what happens.
All right, well, here we go. Ah! He's just not wanting to go. Oh, and he's sinking now. Oh, I took the thing off. I forgot to put the foam back on it. Where is it? I was like, how come it's sinking? Oh, that's bad. I'm glad it wasn't out there.
Right.
I'd never found it. Well, that was exciting. No, I forgot to put the foam in.
Okay, so we kind of succeeded. We got one good run. We went all the way across this little leg of the lake.
And hit a tree branch.
And hit a tree.
And now it's not, this little light blinks red, which means it's not pairing
Oh, okay, so like the
to the
receiver's
controller.
out.
So there might some water probably got in here when it sunk. Have to dry out for a couple days probably.
Cool. Thanks to the Griffiths for letting us come out and mooch off their property. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.
So I got this sucker back to the workbench. I think that might be part of the problem. See all that water in there? That's supposed to be waterproof. So I gotta dry that out.
Yay.